Hello, my name is Mathieu Liénard and welcome to this new episode of my demos using AWS services with the Pexip Infinity video conferencing platform and Amazon Echo. This is part 2 of the demo of using an Alexa skill I developed to trigger the recording and then the transcription to text of what is being said in a video conference hosted on my Pexip Infinity video conferencing platform. This video will explain the behind the scenes of what I demoed in the last episodes and how it is done using several AWS services like Lambda, Step Functions, MediaLive, MediaConnect, and of course AWS Transcribe. Let's get into it. Bear with me because the workflow is going to be quite busy. The setup is the same than in the previous demo when I was using AWS services to stream, record, or do face recognition on a video conference hosted on a Pexip Infinity platform. Meeting participants are connected to the conference hosted on a Pexip Infinity conference node installed on an EC2 instance in the AWS cloud. Through Amazon Echo, the host starts the Alexa skill I developed, which is controlling the Pexip video conference and instructs it to take notes of the meeting. This triggers a Lambda function which connects to the management node using REST APIs. Like in the previous demos, through a series of interactions between the host, the Alexa skill, and the Pexip management node, the Lambda function figures out which meeting it should take notes of. Once it has figured that out, it launches a MediaLive channel. The function stores in a table in DynamoDB some metadata about the video conference like the meeting name and start time. The function also launches a step function which loops and at each iteration triggers another Lambda function which checks the status of the media channel. The step function will loop until the channel is up. Once the channel is up, it exits the loop and launches another Lambda function. That function connects to the Pexip management node and through REST APIs instructs the conferencing node to send the conference content to the MediaLive channel using RTMP. The MediaLive channel stores the content in an S3 bucket. So at this stage, the video conference is being recorded into multiple transport stream files in S3. When the host stops the recording, the system goes again through a series of interactions to check for which meeting it should stop taking notes. The Lambda function instructs first the Pexip server to disconnect the RTMP stream to the MediaLive channel, and then stops the MediaLive channel, which stops the recording into the S3 bucket. It also updates the metadata into the DynamoDB table, like the recording end time. It launches again the same step function, which this time will loop until it detects the media channel is stopped in an idle state. Once it has detected the channel is idle, it launches another Lambda function, which launches a media convert job, which goes and reads all the .ts files of the recording into the S3 bucket and convert them into one MPEG-4 file and stores the result back into the S3 bucket. It also updates the record in the DynamoDB table with the link to the file in the S3 bucket. Finally, the Lambda function launches another step function, which goal is to monitor the status of the media convert job and loops until it is completed. Once it detects it is completed, the step function launches another Lambda function, which launches a transcription job. AWS Transcribe goes and reads the MPEG-4 file and transcribes the audio content into text. The Lambda function updates again the record in the DynamoDB table with the information about the transcription. I guess you got the pattern by now, but the Lambda function launches a third step function which loops using a separate Lambda function at each iteration to check the status of the transcription job. Once it receives a completed message, it launches a final Lambda function. This last function is going to retrieve the transcription text and uses SES, AWS Simple Email Service, to send an email to the host with the transcription of the meeting. The Lambda function also sends the transcript of the audio content into the Slack channel of the team. And this ends the entire workflow to use Amazon Echo and AWS services to get the notes of a video conference hosted on a Pexip Infinity platform. I hope you enjoyed this little behind the scenes. Thank you for watching and see you next time.